the embarrassing state of lawlessness and thuggery being unleashed on innocent Ghanaians and state institutions by members of the National Democratic Congress. I wish to call on the President-elect, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, to exhibit statesmanship by reining in his supporters in order to preserve the peace and unity of the country. There have been many incidents of NDC members besieging collation centers with offensive weapons and forcibly declare NDC parliamentary candidates as winners of some parliamentary contests. We believe that that is not in keeping with the democratic culture we are all trying to nurture. I'm also saddened by the indifference and silence on the part of Mr. John Dramani Mahama and the NDC in relation to the violence and mayhem being unleashed on members of the MPP and other people perceived to be sympathizers. This wanton act of lawlessness and brutality have been extended to state institutions and public offices, looting and stealing state properties in the process. As a result of this, some public offices were forced to close for business. In a bizarre twist, these barbaric acts are being extended to private homes and properties of individuals, with some receiving death threats. It is regrettable that these reprehensive acts are being perpetrated following an electoral process that has been widely touted as credible. We must all, at all times, place the national interest over and above any individual interest. I would like to remind President Mahama that he has won an election. He has not staged a coup d'etat. He has a responsibility to contribute to protect life and property. I believe President Mahama and the NDC know that if these acts continue, people will be compelled to take reasonable steps to defend themselves. The last thing anybody wants is to mar the beauty of the successful elections that have just been concluded. Mr. Mahama and the NDC should demonstrate that they are not reluctant Democrats. Thank you. Yaw. Omanhene Yaw Mama. Enra on my acceptance speech. But Yenkotie Jane Adokwe Mensa. And Sema, what they told Ghana for any man. Nanipa Bebri air train. I want to believe, say, Abia, after the declaration, the NDC supporters, knowing well, say, Abia, they be moving, say, Jamin, say, delay, no, but so we are very more view. Now, I don't know whether they heard, say, about me, I conceded defeat. Now, I know, say, Wajia Bana Tumwa. Nana Jimai, Tepa, not more boss, virtually, Nifie, Yamin Kwanke, Omu di Jakotum. Not more cars be bracing ho, a demo machine. What is this? Yente Jemensa.
6 million. Let me take that again. Mr. John Dramani Mahama of the NDC obtained 6,328,397. And I'd like to repeat that. Mr. John Dramani Mahama of the NDC obtained 6,328,397, being 56.55%. Mr. Hassan Ayariga of the APC obtained 17,461, being 0.16%. Mr. Kofi Kranting, independent candidate, obtained 3,320, being 0.03%. Mr. George Chumberima Edu, independent candidate, obtained 3,091, being 0.02%. Nana Kwame Biediaku, independent candidate, obtained 84,478, being 0.05%. Mr. Alan Kojo Tremanting, independent candidate, obtained 31,202, being 0.28%. The total valid votes cast add up to 11,191,422. total rejected votes 239,109. Total votes cast 11,430,531. It's important to mention that the total registered voters add up to 18,774,159. And the percentage voter turnout based on the 267 constituencies stands at 60.9%. 60.9% based on the 267 constituencies. And as I mentioned, this does not include the 9 constituencies whose results we are yet to receive. Ladies and gentlemen, as mentioned earlier, results from the 9 constituencies are still as outstanding. The 9 constituencies are Ewutu Senya East, in Sawam, Aduajiri, Akwetia, Suhum, Techiman South, Domi Kwabenya, Ablekuba North, Ahafo Anon North, and Damango. The 5,604,420, representing 46.17% of the total valid votes, which would have been 12,138,538. The inclusion of the outstanding constituencies would have given the leading candidate 52.13%, which is still greater than the 50% plus 1 required to be declared a winner. And so even with that scenario, he's clearly the winner of the 2024 election. In the light of the above, ladies and gentlemen, I have the singular honor as the returning officer of the 2024 presidential election to declare His Excellency John Dramani Mahama as the winner of the 2024 presidential election and the President-elect of the Republic of Ghana with a total percentage of 56.55%. Congratulations, sir. It is finished. Thank you very much. 5,600,000.
Okay. Yaw. Figures now we go. Yeah, share a quick analysis of it. Now, after the other videos will come. Shadrach, my, share there. Yeah, I'm giving you some. Share quickly.
Okay.
Now, find analysis kakra. This is the total valid votes. Total valid votes near Omokanye. Timio. Ghana nyina no. De timi kanye. De 2 year. 11,430,531. 267 constituencies. 60.9% turnout. Okay. The rejected Yaw. Rejected ballot was too huge.
Okay.
And no, the say the third crab so. Because they did third no cheddar.
Yeah, Nana Kwame Bedia.
886,000.
80.
He had 86,000. Yes. Okay. Total rejected votes 239,000. Now, percentage voter turnout no. Yaw, form. So when you subtract 11.430,531 from the total registered voters, Ghana for Antwaba, we are assuming, say, Omuntiasi, Omunyina Oho, barring any hitch or all things being equal. Ghana for more register your Mantwaba 7.3432628 million. Fast forward, move on to the next one.
Ghana for na Antwaba no. I don't know about Kaya Saturday, no me be adwene. Se na me ka se. Me hunu say the total Ghana ye population ye register ye papa ye who between 10 million, 11 million, 12 million. And na ye hunu wa ha say no. I said say a population of
32 million.
32 million. You can see in your voters register 18.7
but definitely
million.
it should be in the neighborhood of about 15.
I want 15, half of our population.
What I'm saying is, it should be in the neighborhood of about 15.
That is half of our population.
Because
yes,
we shouldn't have this voter turnout. If the figure now can within 12 million, and send a Ghana for if we do that now,
no
I see. I come back again. And the 7.343 million.
Yes,
it's said to have not voted. Go to the next one. Now, Nanado in 2020 had 6.777325, representing 51.27.
yes.
Pedro Mama, president-elect, 6.264517 votes, 47.39.
Yeah.
Watch his figure well. Baumia in 2024.
Yeah.
Tiwane Nanado figure the free me. 6.777325 minus 4.657304.
Difference, no, 2,064,100 I should think so. Yeah.
Okay, 2 million. 2 million say
2,064,000.
2,064,000. Okay.
109.
Okay. And the NPP 2020 about omunyae no. Eswati 2,064,109. Omapeli John Mama 2024 nya 6.328. 397. Utifri ni di anymore 2020 or the 63,880 votes and a kind of votes on 2024. Okay, Tifrim 63,880 votes or the 6.264517 and a 6.328697 figure 6.264517 64517 6464517
Yeah, 63,000.
63,880. Meaning he maintained his figure of 2020 and added 63,880 votes. NPP lost 2,060,000 votes. What you say? And you go to an election within 4 years. Now Lusuya, it tells you say your base was angry. 1, 2, you did not pay attention to their problems, the noise they were making. One for Bua Maomo, you took them for granted because not. Jimmy, what it means is say NPP base was angry. I don't know, man, lose seats, sir. A simple majority. It is a Kotoba. Now last time it beat Asante 1,500 votes. Meba. None me the 1,500 BT no. Na me Crawford to Abama me no. Emma mitiminya vote say beat 1,500 no. E move 5,000 to Aba. How do you expect say we MP will be winning?
Yeah.
You can't.
Yes.
Are you getting me? So Omanhene Yaw mama Kasan or say this is a lesson to every politician, including Omo NDC. Say you cannot take your voters for granted. There's no way I'll bet me. I say the impudence of a cockroach, the arrogance of power, well trim to the point to say the people who voted for you, even in Ashanti region, they tell you, yeah, 24. Uniamano aye inimical to destroy our business. What's the mean? Yes, Ghana phone people of Fuome to abet also Kokromatini or the Asobe to Abana say, I own to my home and I could to amend this. You get what I mean? So I'm beginning to understand, say, probably maybe he was not a candidate by Omanhene Yaw Ghana for, and I say, I see him as a victim of circumstance. Also, Eugene Entry as a starting campaign.
Yeah.
The parliament MP4. That was your former
MP for Subin. And a pekranka maker say the former MP for Subin till it and about
MP for Subin. Or say across Ghana from constituency to national. Anyone was say Omukromu resign here.
And it's true. I can't tell you.
I was said constituency executives.
How much were they?
Police station 555.
National, the BC
all
resign
from the national chairman to the last police station. Everybody should resign.
So almost woman you are
now. So I'm resign here. On no fee say party for Mabu Funukano. Omakuma Betomo.
Yes. And Bema okay.
Chairman to be a press conference in Ra. Yentieno. Osimre su na so usu anu asu. E wo so sere anu asere.
Enenra ono so oye gentleman's job pa sa akukuduro no a
onya e de be kasaye to calm people, to
encourage people oji bibia tum de mo beka bia monka de mo beye bia monye se me chema wuntumi na mo bedi matem a muni matem sambabo misubo a mo misubo de mo beka fa me ho bia monka e wo se wusu a su se wo se wo sere a ososo esre, and he did very well. Say subo ni bebre bi de bono ene hwan ne ade but ogitum said you make kabia o person di matema
di to me.
Okay. 138,538. The inclusion so I was so no answer. But Nima de Crontia said, Drude, a bread was so soon, that's a one swan. Ya come once. And the drew a bread so was and so no answer, and so swan. And also so ya come once. It's when you go on Nima de Crontia. Obo soon, Robo Seri. Uncle Yam Farmer. The mum. Ade a MPP party a wa Ashanti region and say aye Ashanti region enche bia no ye befre party mpanifo nyina wa Ashanti region, regional executives, MPs na se PCs ni nyina, MMDCs, constituency executives, just a regional council no ya hwehwem na ade bia no a ya dwen se ekoye na asa koye bia madam Roma mo na party ne yemodia ye de aba betum anum ye de aba besom ayesesi ayi de aye niam na ahweaguo enti anye hweagu na ahweagu no anye no ane ade a awose ye hwe na emom de hia pa ne se akwa beso ne yebetimi afa yebetimi asesa ne yebetimi asoa bio amagana ene asanteman nyina afa no ntuma pa efra enti wenti enene ma yefrɛ wo se aseda ehu hia obi ade bia wo ye bia no ede onyankopɔn ne de do obi bia ase.
Okay. Well, we prog this from Asase Radio. Asante Akye Abia. Now I want to say, I want to say calculation. Be about chances here. Yaw. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Asante region. Enya 64.9. The last election, NPP enya 71%. This time around, about 64.9. NDC sat here with us and said, say, they are getting between 30 to 35%. Mebwa. Omanhene Yaw menya 697,076. Uti free one.
With a total percentage.
The difference,
669,724.
The difference. The difference between Nana Danko Akufo-Addo and John Mahama was almost 1.2. 2020. Because they had almost 1.1. 2020, John Mahama has 654,000. As against 1.789. Are you getting me? 1.789. As against 654. And this time around, 1.366800 as against 697. Now say I can just some fewer income Omanhene Yaw menya 700,000. And they had 33.10%. And this is nya bid dawa Ashanti region. No, because they didn't vote.
Baby to say Enrana ya Greece Asante about no car sembichere. Marietta Brewer appear upon.
No,
so former Attorney General. No more sign to Inshayeso constituency. Even late in the night, no more steka ni baby. But na mami no about penny.
Another. That's
it. Na articulation center honomo. And they do baby electoral commission officials ni say also mo ka so ma break ra no o ka chem say mo de mo ntime mo bo eyi akwalu ni ho ama mo de give us the MPP and NDC de na mo de say mo kwa monko what I say it should tell you the kind of adwuma o mo be ye our region wa unu penny kwame ewu adako
and no pay o say obefa ha no mo be 10 minutes bi ewu adako
mo kwame ewu adako atena kroma say
for 5 months
na maka be 6 months
5 months 5 solid months on the former mayor and the former regional minister
yes
Dr. Sompa oh yes
and Kojobo nsu no
yes
omo atena krom omo ye asantefo ma and they assign them some krom na monko appreciative vote maye omonim so montimi ngwini Ashanti region vote ni nyina but omonim the Ashanti region omo appreciative vote a
omanim
ede aye ede amom entianya me nwa kwame ewu adako Marietta Brewer appear upon Kojobo
Betty Moldy
Drisu Samuel Sapon Kofi Boakye
yes
ombe gu kroma say na fi akwan omakofa matwefo elections we na nya matwefo
elections we match ni be na 2 blow
why
Ashanti region awana match ni be na 2 blow
why why itimi akota vote we ya mampeni da John Dramani Mama enya wa Ashanti region ene seater wa massive wa Ashanti region no me enye me nwanwa because of these gentlemen
now because of the contentions because of the contentions yentimi fancy sudia but I can say NDC might get between 8 to 10 seats
oh Ashanti yes
8 to 10 seats
yes
at the MPP Ashanti region seats so far about 36 ebi anom so anya bi aka ho na ko 38 and that's but from 43 to 38 your stronghold
NDC from 4 meboa
from 4
no mo keka ko 10
to 10
these gentlemen
should tell you say mo be ye djuma papa now it's a reversal djuma MPP ye no 2016 no
yes
and no na NDC for be
akota me the vote we ohu the me hu an say one way or the other Ghana for e dey catch man penny that John Dramani Mahama say we are sorry misana me hu no say in 2012 Ghana for if he say enema bi ono mo a o man tenase ene yi ni fi ho no mo
kwa
72 years man
MPP base na bufuo ho
akota MPP ye ni ya nka bufuo beba
I I agree with you perfectly.
So mo yen yank ebufu beba. Iti Ghana for are saying sorry to Mampeni Dada John Dramani Mahama because they arrogance MPP for be display no. Mampeni Dada John Dramani Mahama mre omo hu bi say we akwata watama se. Se dey say Mampeni Dada John Dramani Mahama memunye. But am for fi say Mampeni na do danko akufa do de we de eye kon chen John Dramani Mahama de no. Akwata watama se.
Economy.
Yes. Economy ene wan buo ne ade a ye ka ho asemi ye ka Ghana for se niema buo kosuro na me akonta ade a me de bia na me ka se Bank of Ghana governor na asem obekan ye se obetima ma dollar na 10 cedis ene ni kine ya
me bufu me ho fu that statement was so annoying.
Na obetima ma na ba 10 cedis ene ni kine ya at least e be last year be 6 months and 3 months e dey na si
we said 2 days to elections omo de be wo said dollar about 11
akutana of 14 cedis etiba 14 cedis
omo be chadi be wo ti Accra. Excuse me. You know my wife deals in.
Yes.
I want candy money at the dollar $7 near the most on the time. Omoko almost sense can man almost so many dollar because omuni baby as I 11 in free ba.
It now bet mama
now dollar now 17.
Yeah.
Ebe ka 1 week to election I will say what the about 14. We are then at about 14. Oba grofo sika si.
And then now
one person yaw. One individual call can for Riata. And nearby why you say nyina do crofo nyuma. Ghana forecast ya pet and pay. Empre. Azati abwa.
Oh my.
Bebe did them.
That's it. Kakra me can say.
Bebe did them.
What differences now? In 2016 no. Nanado 892,562 between one Mahama. I will near 53.65%.
I was Santori.
Oh, Ghana
972.
892,000.
2020.
2016 now the winning year.
2016 almost the bar said 972.
Nindru. No,
no, 1 million, but
na enu 900.
800
na 892 na ka 8,000 na ka
900. Okay.
Difference no. Now in 2020, difference became 557,405. Now it's aswati almost better 200,000. Now, and the truth was fine, but we are Ghana Vinci, that's the first time on the ballot.
I know there problem.
And that one is
Azanti. It's the first time on the ballot.
On the ballot, you know.
And easy
that
so
was working against him.
And easy.
2. You have 2024 year difference as of what the commissioner has declared now. No, 1,671,000 and then the 3 million votes. And I'm Muhammad BT Nana Vance Baunia.
1.671.
1.671.
393. Ebi sida. 1.6 million votes.
Ebi sida. The differences has always been say a 600,000. It is in 600,000
between 600 and
800. And another quantity because even 22,000 before every team must 600,000 after the runoff. No,
after runoff, but second round not a difference in 600. It was in the neighborhood of about 400.
First round.
Another the other name Ghana for be say I say ya bro Jomama prom. It will be described to say ya bro Baumi. We are prom and as a biti.
Wait,
1.671.
As of now, a commissioner catcher say, you were 9 or say 9. No, the voter population is about 900,000.
941,160.
And young friends, the voter turnout no a half, a 50% nipa by 450,000.
Mahama
enya 60%. Obeka ho one have bit mako be 58%.
Njore constituencies na utu senya NDC winning. Nsa woma do agiri esin contest dey by tete NDC ewini. Suhum okay ABMPP befa. Techiman South ai Martin J Mensa hono ye tete se wafa but contention ho ahafo no north tepa issues wo hoyi.
Martin J Mensa figure o dey be tuja the MPP dia. Go do a press conference. Now you say, well, BT Bayere no be 3,000 votes.
Be 3,000 votes.
So no more kind of bano.
Okay.
The team Obapeni ebe di actually declare say. Wa winning no. Watching no. And no more got to say. electoral commission.
Okay.
It's Abana Kano. And at that time he was leading about 1,700.
Okay. That man goes, I'm told to say Enrana Jono Edebano pay Oma confirm say Jinapo Ewini seat.
Yes, that man go Oma confirm Jinapo.
Akwetia so no akoye bibi.
Oh, and not to make us say
Ablekuma no.
And not make us say oh say
Mahama Benya bipa.
The issues are now man for kase. Eya kamia say constituencies bia a bar out say NDC are winning no. When they start say omo discuss here. Now ehwe ye year na after Baumia declare no they went there say by force declare. But this year the declaration Okakwe Central say almost say Abante na di LBT you.
Yes, Baba Siddiq.
Baba Siddiq. By initially I told you I say
Honorable Patrick
Yabuama winning, but
yes.
Boama had him yesterday so be court.
Yes, he's offer legal process.
On my medical car make an opinion say during the last 3 months, you know. I say, Nanado, you were doing so many campaigns for Mahama, but now I'm for being muscle. No campaign, no way, and say, on Sunday, not none of what they know you're not gonna for new money power. They're not what your man couldn't hear into some by a campaign, ma Baumia. Now, or share independent be able for and yet
the last presence na amwa about me.
Amwa, send to more. How? Sadiji meba. I say, and no na. What are your way? So what's me boy on her? On my semi cancer, one son ever to about on my me pacho. Your cancer son and come to one counting me nagging. Bavos me bavos now bano.
I don't say me campaign obey and anyway.
Debbie, and nothing and about me and you prepare say, or pass what chin who free Kufuado.
No, I agree with you
on that call.
As I say, the latter part, a big crown and nado. Commission you to crown a man, be cry, a two abaka crab, it could have been worse.
May say,
but send another presence.
Because I didn't a man for Kotobati MPP, and I didn't.
I agree.
And it's a statement be obey. Say, also because say, Umahama won't go on a Ghana for more D. One tape, or Momo Bonia Babuye, Science and Seminole. And
we say it culminated into
I'm not debut.
A share go for
one Seminole. Gentia, order when they may say when I'm in your hair. It do maybe on number of me per se or chain who free an ado and never be home. But unfortunately, no. Now, Baumia was part of Nanado government.
That is the reason.
And I mean, say, and you know, I said Nanado in Baumia, and Nanado in particular, Baumia companies, but Nanado not. No way, Nippon in the business committee for that matter. And so about out by a campaign. Now, Mamma, anything I could for Bermula soon. Because say the Nanado factor wasn't working for Baumia. And then I could forward this reputation.
Asante, you agree with me, Nanado would never have kept quiet.
And I may say, and you're the quiet, no.
But on Konya Day.
Share, I didn't see a Benin Magramaso. For the ministers now resign free now, Mamma. Share. Oh, on my head, I didn't resign here.
I'm going to resign here.
Oh, maybe Dambuchi one resign. Papa ya wo oboase east ya na mfense. There be omunyi na de na ye. Omo position asemenye. It means the government has become unpopular for even within the same party.
Well, but I mean producer say oh
yemfa we ntwam so say da paade no. Da paade no like unzene no na ye ka southwest. But onusu yi omo kan ya medru baby no na entiase nya adwuma nti omo de aba region
ebe kan
collating for the last
just on lose you
debi on lose
okay
yeah I'm say argument ni as yenye ni ye CDD4 e de ba say omo nante Ghana hanyina Ghana population nipa be 82% say omo ni koye the country is going to
the wrong direction
and the FNC Afrobarometer report no nu gina economy
yeah
enti abare nyina gina economy enti ba omia voter so tie no eye economy na sebe na enye ntra ehona na me egina the economy no nipa ba kwa you gina nchi interview no kini furata
Right.
One more party no yaw. Can amwa.
Now I'm one. Right. A boss
out to
right. Right. Mami musu asem. One yi kenoforiata.
I know.
Right. Everything rises and falls on a leader. If you are away, Fanny say, yeah, morning show. You are a producer here. But BBC was show is what. Yeah, Mousubo. Me, I'm a TA, and I'm a demon in Beje. Some from Swanee Flu Crana. And was some men I'm a jitum, maybe a chimino waka. And until when people were calling for his head to be reshuffled, no, the president paid heed. Yeah, Asensu proved everybody wrong. Say reshuffle is effective. 8 months, and I don't know me busa contractors say, what is the magic until Omugu Kwaso Yechuma? And you know what? I'm a quarter to me koji Abia 30 billion. No, a chama contractors me and son. Now contractors be 25. Because the honor Kasiano de Memano, Edana Chubo. So it tells you, say, Penina or ye or no. Samema fire bomb Juma. Yaw. A Juman Koye. One more words in the party, 92 MPs. Unprecedented. Tells you, say, Nanado,
and said, I say, Kenofurata said, your mayor de Bononia, but Ken Nano. No, same people for
Ombonosubo.
No, there's someone there. What the amount? Yeah,
I want a Nuntinama, Sauti, MPs, Nibibre, Metier, Eugene Boakye, Metier, a year, Carlos,
Carlos,
Metier, a year, obeying Techi, honorable obeying Techi. Metier about 5 MPs are. Omo calling in and say, President Anadu Danko Akufo-Addo should as soon as possible Omra Bonte no me pa MPP party nicho.
Yeah, they're calling on, and it's true. Now, yeah, I'm sure your sports team now. Shadrach.
So her economy now. Na Kenifurata ne rane.
Yes.
Edi ya no person me frame akasibe eboa. Boga.
Osi na her economy no.
And osi Kenifurata
na say Yuji Boakye kra say toda kra. Ba me yeti me tuka ofre Kenifurata won fi no. Otuka free ni fie ko finance ministry ho eno kro ko check no ansa na do de Kenifurata betie ba me wetie ba
na do sobo no ho. But Ken no there.
Na Ken no there. We are the tire.
Na when they Ken ne buy.
Right.
Empenifo bebre ka che mampani Akufo-Addo say unuanom to the extent say off record atachia
no to no so
abusia for ye wo bam ne ne yakun pam ye nyina na ho beto na na do otie obi ni atachia ka kire no so unuanom no abusia for ye gu abam ne ne yakun pam ye nyina na ho beto
sports for emetrans ya no pasa
na do na so mo
Shadrach